It's the end of March, and we finally got some weather that I could sneak out on a weekend. I haven't been out for a weekend motorcycle camping trip since I think last September when Gus and I went to Glacier. So I'm heading down the coast on Highway 101. I'm in Newport right now. It's about noon, and plan is to go all the way down to just about Coos Bay and then go up the Umpqua River to find a camp spot for this evening. So it's a beautiful day. It's about 60 degrees, March 26th or 27th. And yeah, really nice ride coming down. And hopefully the sun's going to break out. But it's really comfortable, and there are a lot of people out on the beach today enjoying the weather. So more later. I just made the turn off of Highway 101 to Highway 38 going up the Rogue River, and just as maybe 5 miles up the road there was a elk viewing area, and I don't know if you can see behind me, but there's a big herd of elk just sitting out in the field, maybe 150 yards out. So yeah, really great drive down the 101. And looking forward to the next 30 or 40 miles before I get to camp. So it's been a great day. It's about 65 degrees out right now, so it's just perfect riding weather. So we'll catch you a little later. Well, it is 7 o'clock, and we finally found camp on a nice stream right next to a bridge, but I haven't seen anybody for 20 or 30 minutes, so I think we'll be fine. Got about another half hour of light left, so gonna get busy getting a wood box fire stove going and getting dinner cooked. So long day in the saddle. Had a hard time finding a place. I went to a BLM dispersed campsite that was closed, and come to find out the valley I was in was all private owned or BLM. And so I had to drive about almost an hour to get into a national forest to where I could find a camp. So this is camp, and I'm on just this beautiful little creek. I don't know what the name of it is, but it's going to be a nice night, and I'm tired, so I'm going to sleep good. Good morning. Had a great sleep last night. Tested out this new hammock that I bought. It's called a Haven XL. It's supposed to be a flat hammock, but not quite flat, but pretty good night's sleep. Camped right here on this beautiful stream. It was pretty quiet most of the night, so I got up this morning about 6:30, had coffee and some oatmeal, and I'm gonna go for a walk and then finish packing up and should be home, oh gosh, noon, 11:30 at the earliest. So yeah, great ride, gonna finish it off, and really lucky. End of March, had a star-filled night last night, so can't ask for anything more than that at the end of March before April. So got a ride in and feeling good.